Okay, guys, I have proof that Vegito5001, that guy right there, is racist. This is pretty big, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, fellas, here's my proof. Look at his username. Look at it really, really closely. See if you find anything. Well, I found something. I took the Vegito part of his name, flipped it backwards, and put it in translate from Farsi, Persian, to English. Farsi is a language that him and his friend speaks, and Jordan Jafari speaks, and yeah, I translated it, and here's what I got. Isn't that crazy? That's so weird! I knew he was racist, but I didn't know he was racist like this. That's what I also found. The real reason he has the 5,000 in his name is because that's how many Asians that died in the Holocaust! He hates Asians as well! If this isn't enough evidence to unsub, I don't know what is. If you're not convinced yet, I have one last piece of evidence. Look at this most recent Channer banner. It has Sonic, Knock the Hedgebush, Shadow the Hedgebush, and Inkling. Only furries have Knock the Hedgebush in their Channer banner, and only pedophiles have Inkling in their Channer banner. That's all the proof I gathered, fellas. I hope you've realized how much of a racist Vegito5001 is. So please like and sub to my channel, sub to PewDiePie's channel, and sub to Jesus Christ's channel, and share this video to spread the awareness. That's all. If you find any proof, please make a video and send it to me. Please.